This is Crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at Solana. I didn't make video on Solana yesterday. Very sorry about that to those who were expecting a Solana video. As you can see, Solana is actually following my prediction in my previous video. So there's nothing much to expect, just that we didn't hit this target. This was literally where we got to before we decided to start correcting. Now the question is, okay, I used to say that whenever we break out of a resistance, we retest with a confirmation candle. We're supposed to go higher to this level. Now there's something I noticed. Yeah, there's something I noticed when trading. Now when there is a retest, like when we get a breakout like this from a particular resistance and we get a retest like this very small retest with a confirmation candle, if the first candle before the confirmation candle is this long, see, don't expect a don't expect the candle to keep on going high. Don't expect, because as you can see, this second candle, it was going higher than as it opened here, it was going higher, it was going up. But because this candle was a very huge candle, it was a very huge candle, then this candle will just have to come down. This candle will just have to be bearish. So it came down here again as a proper retest, and the first candle to determine the what follows next, which was the confirmation candle, has taken a whole lot of volume. It has taken a whole lot of volume, which was the reason why the confirmation candle here became very small. And the fact that this was what got to this confirmation candle, there is no much pump. You can't get much pump anymore. We just have to correct. We have to correct. So because of this correction, it is now leaving me with 2 or 3 possible options, probable correction that might happen here with Solana. Now the first one is that we are going to be using here. We're either probably going to be using within this range, I guess. We'll be using here this first set of, we'll be using here as our first correction. Now this is if the market is not too volatile next week or this coming week. If there's no much uncertainty in the market, then I would say this is where we'll be bouncing off from. So we're definitely going to be getting a move like this. All the way down to 140. Then from 140 we can hit our next target, which is 163. You could see, as simple as that. First scenario that might play out. First probable scenario that might play out. Second probable scenario that might play out is we get a move like this, then we'll use here as our correction 134, 133. Then we bounce back up. Then we'll get a move like this, then we'll bounce back up. You could see second probable movement. Now the last one is we'll have to come all the way down here. You could see that there is a level of support here too. If you check here, you see that there is a good support here. There's a very good support here. This is literally where I'll probably be placing, I'll be taking a long position. And this correction is because if Bitcoin should be going down roughly 8%, then definitely Solana can go down 15% or roughly 16%. So the worst case scenario that will play out is a move like this. We get a move all the way down to 124. A move all the way down to 124, then we can rally much higher like this. So as you can see, this is just how the markets will probably play out this coming week. So stay tuned, know where you're placing your buy orders in terms of spot or futures. So that's just all I have to say, guys. If you do enjoy this content, subscribe, turn on post notification, and smash that like button. Share this video with your friends also. And also, if you're a trader, links are down below. Buy bitk.io and Weex, which you could use to trade either spot or derivative. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.